In this video, I'll explain how you can use your $200 airline credit on a Delta flight. Usually, this credit is meant for checked bags or bringing guests into a lounge, but if you're not able to use it for that, then this is a great hack to be able to use it on flights instead. First, you want to make sure that Delta is selected as your main airline on the Amex website. If you haven't used any of the credit and you have another airline selected, you can call or chat Amex and they can switch you over to Delta even if it's not the beginning of the year. To make sure that this credit works for a flight, you need to use a combination of a Delta gift card and your Amex Platinum to pay for your flight. This is where it can get a little confusing, but the Delta gift card amount needs to be at least $50, and the charge that you put in your Amex Platinum should be around $200. I've heard it should be under $250, but I just do $200 to be safe, and it's worked for me. Because it can be a little confusing, we actually put out a tool that tells you exactly how much you need to buy as a Delta gift card and how much you should put on your Amex Platinum card. Let's walk through an example of how to use this. So let's say you have a flight that's $300. You can go ahead and put that there, and then you want to put how much airline credit you have left. If you haven't used any, you can go ahead and type in 200. But you can see here in this example, you would want to buy a Delta gift card that's $100, and then you want to charge the rest of your flight to your Amex Platinum, which would be $200. Then a couple of days later, you should get the credit. Here's an example of a flight that I bought. So you can see here, it costs around $500, and I had about $192 of credit left. So you can see here, I needed to buy a Delta gift card that was $307, and then I put the rest of the $192 on my Amex Platinum. And then a couple of days later, you can see here, I got a credit for it. Let's say you've used $50 of your airline credit already. You can put that in here, and if the price of your flight is $500, then you would want to get a Delta gift card that's $350, and you can charge the rest of the $150 to your Amex Platinum card. That way you'll get the credit for it. I want to point out, if the price of your flight's under $250, then you'll see this message, and that's because the Delta gift card needs to be at least $50. If you haven't used any of your airline credit, the cheapest ticket you should buy is $250, so that way you still end up buying a $50 gift card. If you use some of the airline credit, just make sure to put that amount there, and that way it'll let you know if your gift card amount is going to be under $50. I'll leave a link in the description so you can use the tool. That way you don't have to worry about the exact math. You just need to enter in your numbers and then you should be good to go. If you don't have any upcoming flights, you can still do this hack. You just want to make sure you buy a main cabin ticket or above. So that way, once you get the credit from Amex, you can cancel your Delta flight. And that way you'll get back a Delta eCredit and it'll expire a year from when you get it. So this is a great way to maximize that $200 airline credit. If you want to learn how to maximize the Resy credit, then check out this video.